Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet, and I'm back with another unboxing video. This time I managed to get hold of a homage watch. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get more watches for you. Just to let you know what exactly we are going to cover in this video, first we will do the unboxing of the watch. Then we will discuss about the first impression of the watch. Then we will talk about the measurement of the watch. After that, we will check how exactly this watch looks on a wrist. And then finally, I will try to tell you the source of inspiration of this watch. First, it's a wrist check time, and today I'm wearing my 4-shining model number TM142. I recently made a unboxing video of this watch. I will leave the video link in the description and you can find the link on the top right corner of this video. Well, our today's watch came in this blue box and the manufacturer name is mentioned on top of it, which is Dwayne Campbell. Without any further delay, let's open the box. In the box, we can find watch, and apart from that, there is nothing. There is no cleaning cloth, there is no guarantee or warranty card. Just watch with this tiny tag. Well, to be honest, it is a bit expensive watch for me. This is a self-funded channel and all the watches I have shown on this channel so far, I bought them from my own pocket. So without your support, I cannot run this channel for long. Well, this is a nice looking watch. Let's unwrap this to have a better look. Look at the beauty. I instantly fell in love with this watch. Look at the sunburst effect of the dial and the bezel giving it a rich look. The case is made of stainless steel. It has a shiny appearance from the side, but it has brushed on the top. The crown is shouldered and has screw down mechanism. Let's unscrew it and try to wind this watch. Yep, it's moving. The thread action is also very good. The bezel is unidirectional and bezel action is okay. It has very minimal back play. Let's try to center it. Yep, it's perfectly aligned. I believe it's a 120 click bezel. The silver color of the bezel giving it a look of platinum, but I'm pretty much sure it's either aluminum or ceramic. You certainly cannot expect a platinum at this price point. But still, they have done a fabulous job. Well, this watch is powered by a Seiko NH35 24 jewel self-winding movement, and it's an automatic actually, which is a very good thing to have. The blue color dial stands out. The indices are in different shape. Well, most of them are in circular, except at 12, 3, 6 and 9 they are in different shapes. The one at 12 o'clock is inverted triangle and the one at 6 and 9 are in rectangular shape. Well, at 3 o'clock you can find a date complication, and it has a cyclops which is doing a pretty good job. And then we have iconic Mercedes handset with lollipop second hand, and it's red in color. Then let's move to the bracelet. Oh, there's still some plastic left. And then we have bracelet, which is also made of stainless steel. It is brushed on the top, polished from on the side. This particular style of bracelet is known as oyster. And then we have buckle. There's still some plastic. Yep, let's remove it. And it has safety clasp. Overall, it's a very nice looking watch. It is a sports watch, and you can wear it at many occasions. For example, you can wear it at office, in meetings, in family get-together, and at many more places. It's a versatile watch. It's time to talk about the measurement that I have taken from the seller's website. I haven't measured it by myself. Case diameter is around 40 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 20 mm. The case thickness is around 12.8 mm. The lug-to-lug length is around 48 mm. And it has a water resistance of 50 meters. The window crystal is sapphire, and it is flat with a cyclops in it. Then the back case is also made of stainless steel, and it has a coinage pattern, and I believe it's a screw down case back. Now it is time to check how it looks on the wrist. And here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist. As usual, I have to remove a few links to hang it nicely around my wrist. Well, I'm not sure if it is just me, but it seems they have put the bracelet upside down. Maybe it could be accidentally. Luckily, I have tools to fix this problem, so it's not a big problem. Come to the final part, from which watch the design of this watch is inspired. Well, I believe many of you must have guessed by now. However, if you haven't, then the answer is Rolex Yacht-Master II. That is all for now, and I will try to create a full review video of this watch after using it for some time. Thank you for joining me on this quick unboxing of Dwayne Campbell 504. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy watch collecting.